service toll free at 1
They issued a severe thunderstorm watch. I am waiting for it to go out over the weather radio.
Significant weather advisory for North Fulton.
Oh dang, look at that. That's... I'm next to Atlanta. Pretty bad.
Until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was over Fairburn, Oregon, 13 miles northwest of Fayetteville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Oh shoot! It's coming out! Severe thunderstorm watch!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 298. effective
290.
until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following: Georgia,
Oh shoot, it started raining.
DeKalb, Douglas,
DeKalb.
Forsyth,
Lol.
Gwinnett, Rockdale, and Walton.
Yeah, there we go. Rockdale County.
Storm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
So far, I've received a SDR, and now this severe thunderstorm watch.
While severe weather may not be imminent,
Just pacing out.
alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later
Statements and possible warnings.
Stay
Stay
tuned
tuned
to
for
know
my weather radio. For radio.
or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Wow. Third EAS. Goodbye.